Fish on here. It jumped whatever it is. Looks like a nice bass. Yeah, it's a small one. You ready, Dad? Get him in there. Nice. All right, get back to Clash. All right, nice smallie. Here, I got him. Here's a smallmouth I just caught. First fish for me on the new boat. Let's get him back. Don't let this one get away. This I think this is a big one. Oh, it is. No. Oh, I got off. Dang it, dude. That was like a 4-pounder. Oh, that's all right. We'll get another one. Man. 2-minute warning. Oh, he's a jumper. Nope. See how I keep him down like that? It's another bass. Get him in, Dad. Largemouth. Good one. It's a fatty too. See him?
Yeah.
Nice. Here's this largemouth I just caught. He's a fat one, but let's get him back.